Welcome to Analog Technologies. We have been serving you since 1997. Hello everyone, we are Analog Technologies and our main products include laser drivers, TEC controllers, TEC modules, high voltage power supplies, SMT, SMD component kits, thermistors, etc. The ATLSxA216D is a series of high-efficiency, constant current laser drivers for driving one or multiple laser diode arrays. It has high reliability, zero EMIs, electromagnetic interference, and is designed with our small DIP package. The laser driver series includes ATLSxA216D and ATLSxA216D. Our ATLSxA216EV1.0 evaluation board is designed for the ease and convenience of evaluating these particular laser drivers. On the four edges of the board, it features solder pads for all the interface ports provided by the laser driver. The solder pads can be used with clips or soldered with wires for connecting to external circuits. The power supply input is connected on the upper edge of the board. The incoming wires can be soldered on the pads or clipped by alligator clips, or use the terminal block and tighten the wires using the screws. In the upper middle of the board there is an LED. When the controller works properly, it will be lit up. On the left side of the controller, there is a terminal block. It can be used for connecting wires going into the port of the laser driver. On the lower side of the laser driver, there are two potentiometers for setting the lower and upper values of the set point current. When the laser driver uses these potentiometers for setting the current values, push down the two switches below the potentiometers. When using external signals to modulate the laser driver output current, leave the two switch knobs in the upper position as marked on the board. The lower left corner switch is for selecting which control port is used for setting the laser driver current, LISL or LISH. The output current can be measured by a current meter, which can be inserted between the two multimeter lead sockets, AMMTR positive and AMMTR negative, which is located on the lower edge of the board. When an ammeter is inserted into the circuit, turn switch S5 on to the upper position. This opens the circuit and the meter leads so that the current will go through the meter, thus the current will be measured. When the ammeter is absent, turn the switch S5 down to short circuit the current meter terminals so that the current will go through the switch to close the circuit. If you want to know more information, please visit our website at www.analogtechnologies.com.